Just Sneakers, back with another review. Today we got the New Balance 550 in the white and yellow. By now you should already be familiar. These dropped back in '89, retro by ALD, and then a bunch of GRs came out and they flew off the internet shelves. This particular shoe was part of a sea salt pack which came with a black, yellow, and burgundy pair. I got a review on the burgundy pair. You can check that out. Alright, now let's jump right into this review. Good look. Get both of them out the box. Move this here to the side. Now let's start with the tip of the shoe. It has the most obvious thing that's popping out, which is this suede running all along the mud guard. You know, the suede is like a light gray. Nothing too special. It's not really of any kind of great quality, but it looks good on the shoe. Take a look at the toe box. It's pretty decent, you know. It's a GR, so you know I don't expect too much. You know, you can tell, you know, synthetic leather and whatnot, but it looks nice, looks good. Take a look at the side of the shoe. New Balance logo. It's like a vinyl. Side here we got perforations, as well as on this side perforations running throughout. How y'all feel about perforations? I'm 50-50 on them. I don't really mind them, but I'm not too crazy about perforations. 550 yellow is popping out, and as far as like the color, the yellow, in person, this yellow is sort of like it's a mustard yellow. It's not the brightest yellow, but it's good. I like it. It's a little muted. It's not too bright, but it's a mustard yellow, I say. You know, so if you was thinking of like matching some shit, keep that in mind. It's not a true yellow. It's more mustard, like more toned down, but it looks really good. Take a look at the tongue. Mesh tongue. You have that yellow, the yellow popping out right here. Take a look at the back of the shoe. New Balance branding. Yellow NB. Soft mesh here. That'll pop out. Now let's get to the midsole. Midsole's regular white. It's not like cream or anything. It's white. New Balance. You know, pretty plain. Outsole. You know, that same yellow. And you know, the yellow is consistent throughout. It's all the same color yellow, you know. Insole. Good look right there. The insole. New Balance. Ortholite soles. Now as far as sizing goes, I recommend to go half a size down. You know, to give you a point of reference, I'm a true to size 9. I'm a 9 in Jordan 1s, 9 in Air Maxes, 9 in most sneakers. But Air Force 1s, I usually go half a size down, and half a size down in these as well. You know, same with Adidas forums. I got a bunch of videos on those. You can check them out. I half size down on 80s basketball shoes, so it seems, except ones because you know, those run pretty narrow. Now for my thoughts on these, yo, I'm rocking with them. You The burgundy, the yellow caught my eye first when I first saw these, but that's just because yellow is eye catching, more eye catching than burgundy or black. But I really wanted the burgundy pair, and I was able to get those, and I was obviously able to get a pair of these, and I didn't want these two because I don't got too much yellow. Well, I kind of do. I got a couple yellow kicks now that I think about it, but they're not as summery as these. I would say this is very good summer look, and that's the season we on right now. I'm a summer baby, so that's what I'm into. But I want to know how y'all feel about the MB550s, man. I got a couple pairs. To be honest, I wasn't even trying to get that many pairs of these, and I wasn't too impressed with them. I thought they were dope, but I also thought they were overhyped. But at the same time, when I got them in hand, I was digging them. But I want to know what y'all think about them, because I'm sold on the MB550s, but they're not like at the top of my list. I got a few pairs of these, and they cool. They're cool joints, but I want to know what y'all think about these, man. I got a few pairs, MB550s. They seem to sell out super duper fast. I could have had a lot more pairs. I don't know. I just be having luck. You feel me? Sneaker gods just be on my side, and I don't use bots or none of that type of stuff. I never have, but it was a lot of pairs of these that I let sit, that I just seen came across. My size is still available, and I just let it sit. And I kind of regret it too, because I kind of went back to look and they were gone. But it is what it is. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for taking out your time to listen to me talk about some sneakers. It's just sneakers.